gonna have our circus.
Oh, I love the circus.
I bought you this present, Mr. Bill.
No, wait, that's too tight, too tight.
I don't want you to lose your balloons.
No, wait, I can't.
Oh, Mr. Bill, you lost your balloons.
Oh, that'd be the dream sequence when he goes to see Dr. I.M. Ham.
Sure there is. Just hop up on the handlebars.
No, wait, but I can't hold on. No, wait, no, I'm gonna fall.
Or you fell off a building.
Now for a visit to the top of the Empire State Building.
No, I'm afraid of heights. No.
Let's get a little closer for an even more spectacular view. So next week, kids, Mr. Bill says so long. Hope you had a great time. See you next show when Mr. Bill moves into his new apartment. Bye-bye.
I like the best is where, like, Mr. Bill, it's like moving his little trailer. And he moves it like with a huge big car.
Say, Mr. Bill, the insurance company contracted me to build your new house. Isn't that great?
Oh, no, that's okay. I'll do it myself.
Oh, gee, then you can help me then. Say, I'll give you a lift over to the construction site.
Oh, come on, Mr. Hands. Why don't you leave us alone? You know, if it weren't for you, we wouldn't need a new house anyway, huh? So leave us alone.
Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. In the world, Mr. Bill.
Spot, you should know better than to play with matches because they're very dangerous. Hello.
You're right, Mr. Bill. Matches are very dangerous.
And speaking of dangerous, kids, you should never ever smoke either.
That's a good point, Mr. Bill. I'll put it out.
No, wait. Gee, kids, you know, crossing the street can be very dangerous. Now, first, you have to look both ways. Okay, now second, you have to make sure the light is green. Okay, now it's safe to... Make that 4 ways. You know, things around the house can be dangerous too, like these electric circuits. Never put any hands around it.
Say, I want to watch TV, Mr. Bill.
Okay, kids, we're gonna try to cross the street again. Now remember, you have to look all 4 ways. Okay, I think it's safe to cross now. Make that 5 ways. Things around the kitchen can be dangerous too, like plastic bags. You could suffocate in one of these.
Say, Mr. Bill, I couldn't finish lunch. I'll put my sandwich in here to keep it fresh. You should never be wasteful.
No, wait, I can't breathe though. No, wait. Speaking of suffocating, kids, you should never ever play in ice boxes. I'm getting a snack right now, but don't fool around in these.
Gee, someone left the icebox open. What a waste of energy.
No, wait, I'm in here. No, Mr. Speaking of eating, you should always wait at least an hour before swimming. And you should always have a buddy in case something goes wrong.
You're right, Mr. Bill. In fact, your buddy today is a swimming champ.
Really?
So let's hook you 2 up.
Oh, no, he can't swim. No, wait, don't do that. No, wait, no, I can't. Oh, I just ate, though. No, wait, no.
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?